So today we are having another tutorial. As you can see, the tutorial is this clip. So we are doing a color grading tutorial. So let's move quickly and quickly. So this is our node. We create another node. So at this point, let me go to my parade. Yeah, we come here. So let's get it running. So this clip, I don't really know the camera, and I even like it this way because I don't know the camera, so that you guys can actually learn the manual process of CST. Very, very important, because of tomorrow you can come across a clip that they can't give you proper information about the camera, and you'll be like you are stuck using CST. So how can we go about something like this? So we'll do manual CST. So to do manual CST, we come to our contrast. See, we are getting it. Then come to our pivot. I want to use 0.336, which is the mid grade of DaVinci white gamut. So it's very, very important. So you look at your waveform. Don't crush your blacks too much. So we started from here to here. Okay, this is nice. I need to bring up, okay, my resolution is full, good. So this is nice. So is there any other thing that, let's bring this down. Okay. So let's create another node. Let's choose our temperature. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. So going back to this place, let's balance out this. So this is nice. This is nice. We are getting it. Okay. So let's check before and after. So from here, let's increase. Okay, this is good. So the next thing we are going to do, let's balance out our skin tone. So let's go to vector. See, the skin tone is not balanced. So let's balance out our skin tone. Yeah. Think, yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. So as you can see, this is just our basic CST. So what next are we to do here? So let's start our color grading, the look we are going for. So let me go back to my parade. So we have green, we have the skin tone, we have red. So we have to pop it. So let me go to HDR and boost up saturation. Okay. I just want to boost up this saturation. Let's create another node. Let's go to this. I want to do a simple grade here. I don't want to do something. I don't want to do something that will really be difficult. Yeah, this is one. So the skin tone, the skin tone. Okay, let's see. This look is, see, this is already, you're already there. So let's just get this. So let's get this. So I'm liking this. Let's play the clip. This is a very nice one. Very nice one. So you can actually do qualifier, but I think we just need it simple. We need it simple. So let's now boost individual colors. So let me bring up my vector. See, it's going off. My skin tone is going off. So I can correct it here. I can only saturate it, but I can correct my skin tone from here. So go back to this place and fix my skin tone. So this is my skin tone. I'm missing it. I'm missing it. Let me do it on the screen. There is so much of highlights. There's so much of highlights on her face. I guess that's how the clip is. There's so much of highlights on her face, though we can still kill it. So let's just finish up with this. So our reds, let's boost up our reds. See, it's coming alive. Let's boost up our green. I want it saturated. I want it saturated. So let's see. So at this point, I think we can actually do something with our hue and saturation. Luma, hue and luma, saturation and luma. This guy. So this is not really working. Okay, it's working. It's working. It's working. But it's making the lady more brighter. As you can see, it's working. So Yeah, so let's go back to this and work on our green more, on our red, magenta. So this is just a basic clip. So let's try and fix this lady with a power window. Let's see if this will work. The problem with this is that it will affect every other thing. So, but if I should use this to pick her face, it will also pick that of the guy. So click this. See, it's picking that of the guy. I would not really want that. But let's see how we can work on this. Tone this down. Okay, this is better. So the guy is going back to where we started from. But I think this is better. So the image is just not really that good because I got this image from online. But at least we can get something nice. We can get something nice. Yeah, so the last thing I would like to do, I would like to give a faded look here. So to give that faded look, I can use this. And can do this. No, it's not giving me what I want. So let me use contrast, take it back. Okay. Then contrast gives me what I want. This is it, before and after. So so the next thing we need to do here, let's come to this. You see, if I do this, it comes down. So let's fix it. Let's fix our highlights. So let's fix our highlights. So a little of shadow, bring down the shadow, bring down the highlights. So this so we started from here to here. So thank you for this tutorial. You can follow up my other tutorials to see some in-depth tutorial if you really want to see how to use Power Windows. Yeah, you can actually do that.